What's up, everybody? I'm Sergio. I'm with Mobility Direct. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're here at MedTrade in Dallas, Texas, and we're looking at the Passport Pro by Super Handy. Now, before we get into this video, I do need to tell you about our free product catalog. If you want a copy, it has discount codes, our latest products. Just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page, fill out the simple short form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. I also want to tell you that we're doing a giveaway once a month. You could win a free mobility scooter like this. All you need to do is subscribe and comment on this video. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. The Passport Pro is available in 2 colors. The 165 is in this kind of a gray, earthy green color, and the 164 is in orange. Now, these units weigh 47 pounds without the battery and supports up to 330 pounds. Can do just about 13 miles with the 2 batteries that it comes with. So we can see here it has a thumb pad throttle system, battery meter there that's easy to read. On the left, you do have a bell, forward, reverse mode. So just above the thumb throttle pad, you have a light meter button to quickly just show you how the battery meter reading is doing. On the left, you've got a bell. This is the on and off button to turn the unit on. This is the forward and reverse mode switch. And then you do have manual brakes. You have a front basket that comes off pretty easily. You do have a hand brake, so you will need to rely on your hand strength and dexterity. If you park on a hill, there's a locking brake there, and then you just press in to release it. Now, what makes this model unique, aside from the fact that it can hold up to 300 pounds and only weighs 47 pounds, is that it folds. You can transport it. It has 2 batteries, so one gets stored underneath the seat right here. Now, keep in mind, Super Handy's a tool company, okay? They make all kinds of tools. This is a drill battery, and they decided to start using drill batteries for their mobility scooters. So aside from the spare battery, which is a 6-mile range, you've got the backup battery. They come with the unit for free. 2 batteries when you buy it. It's included. There's a battery meter on the battery itself. Battery comes right out. Just depress this, slides out, slides in very easily. Nice little cover to keep it protected from the elements. And you do have the disc brake set up back here with a rear hub motor on the back. So one other thing about this model is it does have front suspension. And I'm bouncing on it to show you it can perform well off-road. Not only that, it's travel friendly. And that's not a combination you see too often. So to fold this unit, it's pretty easy. You just take the seat out. You're gonna have to loosen up the clamp, which is kind of like a bicycle seat post clamp. Right here, you just unhook it on this side. And once it's loose, you can pick up on the seat, pick straight up, and the seat comes out. It is height adjustable. So this clevis pin, if you take it out and you change the position, it's going to allow you to set the height at a different point. So go ahead and adjust it to your liking. And now to fold the handlebar down. By the way, the handlebar is height adjustable. That's another comfort adjustment feature that not too many folding models have. So when you're ready to fold the front down, you see this little release latch here? You push on it, and then it starts to collapse. Now, you got to obviously lower that handlebar down for it to go all the way down. And look at that. So if you want to put this in the trunk of your car, it's going to take a really low height profile and make it possible to put it in basically any trunk. When you're ready to unfold, you're going to lift up on that same lever right there, and it's going to lock back into place. Raise the handlebar up, clamp it down, grab your seat post, slide it into the hole, and this is the clamp you want to tighten up when you're done. So I'm going to put it in, drop it down, and then close that clamp up. And it's ready to go again, folks. It's that easy. Super lightweight, nice color options, super dependable. And this is the super handy Passport. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos of this product coming out soon. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Until next time, have a great day.